Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a review about this new V-Line Cosmetics Liquid Foundation. So this foundation is called Flawless. Ayan. By the way guys, ewan kung ba't ako nabubulol. And parang naghahang ako ngayon kasi siguro dahil puyat ako. So again, I'm gonna be reviewing this new foundation of V-Line Cosmetics, which is the Flawless Foundation. So, ang alam ko dito guys, nabasa ko kanina na itong foundation na to will give you a matte finish, but your skin will feel hydrated pa din or moisturized. Ayun. Moisturized pa rin yung skin nyo dito, which is good. And by the way guys, this is morena friendly. Nakita ko doon and okay yun kasi syempre, di ba, as Filipinos, ayun, marami sa atin talaga, Filipino is morena talaga tayo, di ba? So, yun. And, sabi dito, get the ultimate beauty essential for a flawless complexion. This foundation provides long-lasting hydration and enhances the overall textured look of your skin. Find your perfect match and achieve the natural-looking finish. So guys, narinig nyo ba yun? Sabi, mag-enhance yung overall textured ng skin natin. Yung kumbaga, di ba minsan, parang may mga textured. Kumbaga textured talaga tignan yung skin natin. May enhance daw nito yon. So, ayan siya guys. Ganyan yung packaging niya. Super simple lang. Ayan. And I'm in the shade Ivory. Okay? And may nakalagay din dyan, Ivory. So, ayun. Buksan na natin siya. By the way guys, this is 35 grams and this foundation retails for 199 pesos and nabili ko siya. I bought this on their TikTok shop. So, sa mismong V-Line Cosmetics. So, ay okay, ang cute. Ang ganda. Okay. You know what guys, yung tube nito, yung lalagyan ng foundation is very nice for me. Ayan. Super simple. Ayan o. Ay! Nalaglag. Okay, sorry, nalaglag kasi. So, ito yung tube niya. So, this is the packaging looks like. Super simple and nice. And ayan o, kakaiba yung takip niya. Ang cute. And by the way guys, sabi dito, ano ba sabi dito? Okay, wala na. Kung ano yung nakasulat ko sa box, andito rin siya sa likod. And, ayun. Dito nyo makikita yung shade name. So, ayan. Again, I'm in the shade Ivory. Okay? So, isi-shade ko muna siya. Guys, so, buksan na natin siya. Okay. So, ganito po ang itsura ng labasan ng product niya. Product. So, kung napapansin nyo, as you can tell, I have pimples right here and nakutkot ko siya. Mahilig ako magkutkot and kaya naging itsura niya yan. And the reason is, hindi pa rin ako nagkakaroon. 1 week, may na. And yun, kaya ganyan siya. Nagkakaroon ako pimples. So, gagamitin ko tong klase ng brush na to. So, itong brush na to is from Shiglam. Okay. Gamitin ko to distribute the product. Ayan siya, guys. Okay. Ayan. Oh, di ba? You know what, guys? Ang ganda lang nito, napansin ko, kasi kahit na ivory siya, di ba ang ivory, medyo maputi-puti na siya. Hindi siya ganun kaputi. You know what I mean? And, medyo, ano kasi ako, ayan, may pagka-yellow yung undertone ko. So, ayan. I'm gonna be distributing this first. You know what, guys? I don't feel anything on my face right now, kahit na pinapahid-pahid ko na siya, which is good. Ayun, may puti-puti ako sa buhok. Please don't mind this, guys, ha, ito. Kasi namamalat kasi talaga yung face ko. And, ayun, isa pa yung sa titignan natin kasi hindi naman totally namamalat, but because of my skincare, medyo may micro-peeling ako. And let's see if parang may emphasize nito yon. But, yeah, as of now, wala akong nakikitang na-emphasize niya yung pag-micropeel ng skin ko, which is good. Ayan. Okay. You know what, guys? Nakakakinis siya. For me, kasi ayan, kung nakatingin ako dito sa salamin ko, ayan, in person, maganda yung coverage niya, guys. And, knowing na sinabi dun sa, kiniklaim nila dun sa, dito sa foundation na to, buildable pa to, I think this is good para sa lahat, but I think mas maganda to kapag may gusto kayong takpan, ganyan, itago, di ba? tawag yung mga chismis sa pagmumukha. Yan, maganda siya. I am loving this na kasi hindi niya na-emphasize ngayong mamalat ng skin ko and meron akong redness dito around my nose kanina. Ayan, ang ganyan. And as you can tell, nawala, 'di ba? Which is good. I don't feel anything on my face pa din. Kahit na nalagyan ko ng kalahati ng mukha ko. And this one is, alam mo yung thick? Thick yung consistency niya. Ano ba? Nabubulol ako. Thick yung consistency. Thick yung consistency niya. And kanina nilagay ko siya dito, di ba? Hindi siya runny. Which is good kasi hindi siya tutulog sa damit niyo. Hindi kayo matataranta. And ayan guys, oh. Ewan ko kung ako lang to, pero hindi eh. Namamalat kasi ako, pero hindi niya talaga na-emphasize. And walang kung anong pachi-pachi bako-bako. Oh, kita niyo yan? Diba? By the way guys, ayan yung itsura ng wala. So this side, wala siyang foundation. No foundation right here. On this side, and this is yung meron. So eto siya. Diba? Ang ganda niya. Nakakakinis. Maganda yung coverage, but still looks natural. I don't know if that makes sense, pero ganun siya. Ang ganda niya. And by the way guys, maglalagay na ako dito sa kabila. And let's see kung kaya nitong pawalain yung mga dark spots ko. And ito, itong redness ko dito. Okay? Let's see. Okay. And then, gonna be spreading this out on my face. Okay. Nakikita niyo ba yung coverage na yan, guys? Burado na. Lah, comment. Ay, ang ganda sis. Burado yun. Nandito ko nakikita dito ka. I suggest lang. Buti na lang, guys. Nag-moisturize ako maigi ng skin ko kasi nga, diba nang micropeel ako. So, I suggest, dahil nga nagbibigay ito ng matte finish, moisturize yung maigi yung skin nyo before putting foundation. Okay? Para sure tayo. You know what, guys? I am loving this. Kakaiba yung coverage niya. And for 199 pesos, ang ganda na ng coverage niya makukuha mo. And for me, ang ganda niya sa skin kasi yung pangalan itong foundation na to na flawless, nagmumukha ka talagang flawless. Oh, diba? Diba? Kailangan nyo lang siyang ayusin i-blend para maganda siya talaga totally tingnan sa balat mo. So, mag-a-add lang ako ng konti dito kasi nasobra na ata ako sa pag-blend. Kaya parang nakita ulit siya. So, ayan. Yan, sa mga dark spots ko lang. Ayan. And then, what I'm gonna be doing, guys, is I'm gonna be getting my beauty sponge to blend this foundation just to be sure na walang kahit anong mga streaks ba tawag sa ganun. So, yeah. You know what, guys? Totoong buildable siya. They claim that the foundation is buildable, and yes, it is working. This foundation is working, and I do really feel my skin is still moisturized, even though the finish is matte, which is good. And by the way, guys, I noticed that yung pagka-matte finish niya, hindi siya yung parang dry yung balat mo, yung parang sinip-sip yung nutrients ng balat, parang gano'n. Hindi, okay, no. Hindi siya gano'n, which is good. As you can tell, may pamamalat ako dito, right here in this area. My skin is, ayun, namamalat. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag sa English yan. But, hindi siya kita, hindi siya lata. The foundation did not emphasize my pamamalat na skin. Ayun. I'm gonna be back. I'm just gonna be putting some blush, setting my face with a powder, and then I'm gonna be back. Okay, guys, I'm back and I'm finished with my makeup. So, you know what, guys? I noticed that nung naglagay ako, when I put some blush, the foundation did not move or does not move, whatever. Hindi siya nag-move and I'm very liking it, loving it. Kasi, for me, napaka-big factor niya. Factor ba tawag sa ganun? Parang ang big niya sa akin pagdating sa ganun. Kasi, ayoko nung naglagay ako ng base and then naglagay lang ako ng konting blush or whatever liquid na on top of it, tas magmo-move. Yung foundation or whatever base na nilagay ko, ayoko nun. But, etong foundation na to, this foundation is working, guys. Hindi nga nag-move yung foundation to, even though I put some blush. And then, you know what, guys? I'm really loving it right now because as you can tell, my skin looks very flawless. And you know what, guys? Until now, I'm not feeling anything on my face. Like, I'm, parang hindi ako naka-makeup. Ganun siya. And you know what, guys? I'm really loving it kasi parang may glow pa din siya even though this is a matte finish. I don't know if skin ko lang yun, pero ganun siya ngayon. Lalo na in person. And right now, kapag tumingin ako sa salamin, for me, this is very good kasi sabi ko nga kanina namamalat ako. Nag-micropeel ako ngayon. But this foundation did not enhance yung pamamalat. Kaya I am loving this foundation right now. I am really loving this. And as a foundation na ganito na, ano ba, naghanga ko. As a foundation na ganito kaganda yung coverage and very moisturizing sa skin pa din, even though this is matte. Sa presyo niya, this is very good. You know what? If you're a student or kahit hindi ka student, kung nagtitipid ka, this is a must try, okay? Itong foundation na to kasi tignan nyo naman, walang halong eme-eme, talagang nag-work siya sa akin, okay? Nag-work talaga siya sa akin, ayan, no? Diba? And, ayan guys, ang ganda lang, ang glowing ko today, parang ganun. And yung skin ko, ang ganda niya tingnan. Although dito, ayan, medyo lumabas nga siya, napansin ko, after ko mag-ano ng powder. Pero, hindi na siya masyadong, hindi siya, ano sa akin, hindi siya big problem for me. Kasi, ano eh, hindi naman ako yung gusto kong totally burading mukha, yung blemishes, hindi. Gusto ko ng, may pagka-flawless, pero natural looking pa din, which is good. And, you know what guys, again, this is a must try, and this is a budget-friendly foundation. Pero kahit budget-friendly siya, talagang nag-work siya. So, V-line baka naman. So, ayun. And you know what, guys? I'm gonna be doing a wear test today. Ayun, i-wear test natin siya. And wait, ano oras na ba? Okay, guys. So, it's 10:55 in the morning. So, mag-wear test tayo kasi punta ko ng office namin. So, yeah. And I'm gonna be updating you guys later. Okay, guys. So, quick update. Ayan, ganyan yung itsura niya sa mukha ko. Medyo nag-oil up na ako. Konti lang naman. And by the way guys, 6 hours ko na siyang suot. Alright guys, so it's time to give my final thoughts about this foundation ng V-Line Cosmetics. And right now, as you can tell, my dark spots in this area, ayan, kita na siya. And also right here. And my face is already oily, but not too oily. For me, tama lang siya. Yung parang saktong pagka-oily lang siya. Kasi hindi naman ako talaga masyadong oily. Although it depends, may time lang, ganun. Ewan ko ba, magulo. Pero, ayun nga, in person, I am seeing na yung mamalat ko. Kasi again, like I said earlier, nagmamicropeel yung skin ko. And right now, nakikita ko na siya, especially in this area and in this area. Ayan, nakikita ko na. I don't know kung nalata sa camera. And medyo dito, yan, nakikita na yung aking, yung pagmamicropeel ng skin ko. Ayan, nalalapit ako. So, ganyan na siya, guys. But, overall, okay, for the price of this foundation, again, it retails for 199 pesos. Guys, ang ganda na nito, okay? This is a must try. Because 10 hours ko na siyang suot. And ngayon lang nagkaganting face ko, which is good for me, ha? Kasi, kung ikaw, gumanap ka ng budget-friendly na effective, isa na tong foundation na to doon, okay? This is a must try foundation kasi ang ganda ng coverage niya. Kung ikaw ma-oily ka, ayun nga, kailangan mo lang ng blotting paper or kung gusto mo naman blotting paper with powder ang dalhin mo to touch up. Kasi ako, simula nung in-apply ko to, since I applied the foundation and set it with powder, the whole day, I did not blot, I did not use any powder to retouch my face. Kaya ganito na itsura niya. Okay? Pero kapag nag-blot kayo or hindi mo kayo mag-blot, punas-punas, ganyan-ganyan lang, and then mag-retouch kayo ng powder, magiging goods na siya ulit. Okay? Kaya lang hindi ako nag-retouch kasi gusto kong makita yung effectivity nito at kung gaano ka-long lasting to. Okay? And for me, ang ganda na ng foundation na to for 199 pesos. Although yes, nakikita na yung mga dark spots ko dyan. Pero imagine, it's been almost 10 hours na. Okay? 10 hours ko na siyang suot. And hello, nasa Pilipinas tayo. Mainit dito, 'di ba? Pero ang ganda ng ano niya, ang ganda na ng effect niya for me. And pinakalagustuhan ko dito, guys, this is matte finish but I still feel moisturized. Hindi siya yung parang tuyo yung balat ko, whatever. And ayun, guys, I hope na matry nyo rin to, okay? Kasi Ang ganda nito guys, especially for the teenagers or student na naghahanap ng budget-friendly foundation or makeup. Eto, okay? Try nyo to. Okay? Siguro naman, hindi nyo naman nahayaan yung sarili nyo na 10 hours na walang British, eme-eme, di ba? Pero eto nga, ang ganda nito guys, and napakamura lang niya, 199 pesos. This is a must try. And maganda yung finish niya. Huwag nyo lang hayaan na 10 hours kayo or 8 hours kayong walang blot or pagre-retouch kasi magiging ganito talaga, di ba? So, ayun guys, basta na-amaze pa rin ako kasi, ayan, yung pagka-oily ko, nakita dyan, parang glowing effect niya, hindi yung parang kadiring oily, ganon. And kapag ito guys, I feel na pag blinat ko, kahit i-blot ko lang to, fresh pa din ako, especially pag nag-powder ako, fresh pa din. Kaya pa din ilaban. Kaya, why not try this product, diba? Kasi 199 pesos lang to from V-Line Cosmetics, diba? So, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next video.